Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. This is a super useful trick if you want to align elements perfectly in your designs, whether you're making Instagram posts, presentations, or even printable planners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a visual grid in Canva, making your work cleaner and way more professional looking. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Canva. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry, it's really intuitive. We're going to be working from scratch today, so head over to the homepage. Click on that big Create a Design button and then choose Custom Size. This lets you set the exact dimensions you want for your design. For the purposes of this example, let's go with 100 by 50 pixels. But honestly, you can use whatever size you need for your own project. The steps will be exactly the same. Once your blank design opens up, it might just look like an empty white canvas, but soon we're going to turn this into a grid layout powerhouse. Here, where we add our guides. Up in the top navigation bar, look for the File menu, click that, and from the drop-down choose Settings. Take a moment to find the box labeled Show Rulers and Guides. Go ahead and check that box. What you'll notice right away is that rulers will now appear at the top and side of your design area. These are fantastic for measuring distances and keeping everything aligned. If you don't see them immediately, don't worry, sometimes Canva takes a second to update. With rulers and guides visible, let's take another trip to the same File menu. Click File, then Settings again. This time look for the option called Add Guides. Click to check that as well. Now you can actually add horizontal and vertical guides to your canvas, essentially creating the grid lines, columns, and rows you need. Now comes the fun part, customizing. To add a vertical guide, simply click and drag from the left ruler into your canvas. For horizontal guides, drag from the top ruler downward. You can place these guides wherever you want, not just in evenly spaced intervals, but exactly where you need to create columns and rows for your specific design. Let's say you want 3 equal columns. You drag guides to those 1/3 marks across your canvas. It's just like marking a cutting board before slicing bread. This way, each slice or each section is nice and even. If a guide ends up in the wrong spot, don't stress, you can just click and drag it to adjust. The guides aren't permanent marks, they're there to help you, and you can always remove or move them as your layout comes together. This part might take a few moments as you fine-tune everything, so take your time. The goal here is to set yourself up for success by making it as easy as possible to line up text boxes, images, or elements later on. And there you have it. Your Canva workspace is now set up with fully customizable grid lines, columns, and rows. This trick makes a huge difference, especially as your projects get more detailed and you want everything to look sharp and polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if you want to share how you're using guides in your own designs, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Canva tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.